Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to use control code and make a sand for ready of the base coats. So first step, the primer is on the object. Then the primer is dry out. Now it's dried. And then it's time for the control spray. The control spray is a base coat with a darker color. And this darker color will shows you the level you have to sand the primer until you will get a flat and nice surface later. So you can see, mix the base coat a little bit. It should be a cheap base coat, not so a good base coat, because we are going to then the base coat away in the next step. So that let it dry now, and then we can go to the next step, and this is the control coat on top of the rims. For example, you can use these things in all other objects you are going to spray and give a basis coat finish. So let's start now. Everything is dry. This is important. The base coat is not ready now, because now another round of sanding all of the rim or the object is necessary, because then you get a better base coat finish after this than if you're going to make it wet and wet. You will have not so a nice finish. If you're going to sand it another line, as you can see now, it is a much better result, really. We are going to use 800 sandpaper, wet with water, and we are removing now the control coat by sanding all the areas, and the control coat will give you information how much sanding you have to do right now. But you have to do this on the entire rim or entire object. Don't sand too deep, because we are not going to remove the primer coat. We are only want to have a flat and nice surface. It is better for the base coat later to have a ultra nice flat surface, and this will give the best finish you will have or you will get at the end of the base coat and of the finish. But here you can see everything now is removed and the areas I've shown you. And now let's perform this knowledge on the entire rim to get this job done. After this, you can start with the base coat, and then after this, you can make a little break and rest and have a look how beautiful your rims are going to be. So that it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me. How to use control coat and then the entire rim again. It is hard work, really hard work. I did it before. It cost each sanding process. It will cost you 30 minutes until 1 hour until you finish the job, and you have to do this twice. At the first time before the primer, and then after the primer dries out and after the control coat. So now that it is, have fun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon. Boy, he's an Iron Man in sanding, as you can see. Nice guy. Take the edges. Okay. Have a look at the center part. Good, everything. But don't sand too much. Don't sand too much. Oh, I like it. I can show this all day long. So soon.